Yo, what is up? It is Cam and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to start your YouTube channel with only your phone. So we are going to get in today's video. If you guys are going to enjoy today's video, make sure to smash a like. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So what's up? You saw by the intro, in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to start your YouTube channel with only your phone. Because really, you only need something to record on to start a YouTube channel. It doesn't have to be a super expensive camera or any of that. So I'm going to show you 5 tips and tricks, basically how to start your YouTube channel. So the first tip is when you're either doing a vlog and you're holding it out, you want to make sure that you're not shaky. Because if you're shaky, the camera, like the quality of it's not going to be that good, and all you're going to see is like blurriness, basically. And the reason why I know this is because I used to do it in some of my videos, and then I trained myself to like hold it with if for the best, I suggest you hold it with 2 hands until you get comfortable leaning out, and then that way it's not so shaky or any of that. The second tip is when say you're holding it or you set it down somewhere, you want to make sure you look directly at the lens. Because if you're just over here looking at yourself about like this, then people are not gonna feel like they're getting the best of the video. So if you're like looking at the lens, it's like you're talking to them directly. The reason why I know this is because I used to do that too. I used to go. Yeah, because you want to look at yourself, you want to see how you're doing. But that's not going to do good in your videos. The third tip, right? We're on the third tip? Yeah. Is you don't want to make a video on just about, I want subscribers, oh, I need subscribers, can you help me out? And then end the video. If anything, you wait till the end of the video that you're doing, and you'd be like, hey, make sure to subscribe and all that. That's what I do with my videos. I do it at the beginning and I do it at the end. That way they're not just focusing on that, because it's not who makes a video and just getting a subscriber. None of that. Number 4 is if you are having a commentary video, you don't want to talk super quiet, because then people won't hear you. So you want to have a good voice, like you can make it loud but not too loud, that way you're not hurting someone's ears. But so that's the 4th tip. And the 5th, the last and final tip of today's video is don't be shy. It's gonna take a lot to get used to pulling out your phone, or say you have a camera, pull out a camera and start recording. I understand you're gonna wanna not say anything, but you have to learn how to embrace it and just do it. So I said that was the last tip, but I have one more tip for you guys. What I've learned in the past is if you don't have any video ideas, make a video but make it short. That way you don't you're not like, oh, I don't know what to do next, I don't know how, none of that. Just make something short but not too short. Make it worth it. And then go down to your comments. There's a thing where you can write a comment and then pin it. That way it stays at the top, and that way everybody can see it and they can reply. So you can be like, hey, I need some video ideas, what do you guys got? And then you pin it, and then people will see it and all that. So if this video did help you out, I would like you guys to subscribe down below and hit that like button. Turn on post notifications. There goes my humor again. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.